Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Amazon. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of April 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.01. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a loss of -4.74%. This equates to an average loss of -0.79% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock currently sits in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 26.86% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -31.03% to -20.94%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of about 17.44%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 16.81% and 69.82% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $201.64 and $293.16. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline: Amazon stock price ended at $172.63 on Thursday after losing 0.98%. The Amazon stock price fell by 0.98% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 17th of April, 2025, dropping from $174.33 to $172.63. It has now declined for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.45%, ranging from a low of $172 to a high of $176.21. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.24% over this period. Additionally, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which typically indicates a positive trend as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, trading volume fell by 6 million shares, with a total of 44 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.62 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 28.82% or $69.89 below the 52-week high, and 86.77% or $1,132.57 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,305.20. AMZN Inc. is scheduled to hold a conference call on the first day of May, 2025, to discuss its earnings for the first quarter. This forthcoming earnings report is essential, as investor sentiment can shift dramatically based on the results. Ahead of this event, there are strong indicators of Amazon's resilience, with shares recovering approximately 10% from last week's lows. Such a recovery may signal to investors that the worst of the market turmoil could be subsiding, potentially boosting confidence and driving stock prices higher in the near term. Analysts emphasize Amazon's robust growth potential, especially in e-commerce, cloud computing, and advertising, despite its substantial market capitalization of $2 trillion. The focus on investments in artificial intelligence also suggests a forward-looking strategy that could enhance long-term profitability. Furthermore, with ongoing market volatility driven by geopolitical factors like tariff adjustments, Amazon's adaptability and diverse revenue streams make it an appealing investment choice for both short and long-term strategies. As market conditions stabilize, Amazon stock could attract more buyers, further enhancing its performance. Therefore, while the immediate future may be influenced by the upcoming earnings call, Amazon's strategic initiatives indicate a strong growth trajectory, reinforcing its position as a key player in the market. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 3rd of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities awarded Amazon a market outperform rating with a hold action. On the same day, Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Telsey Advisory assigned Amazon an outperform rating with a hold action. Additionally, on Monday, the 3rd of March, 2025, it was reported that Benchmark gave Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. Earlier, on Thursday, the 13th of February, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup again assigned Amazon a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Amazon stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts consider this stock a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen slightly over 1%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact near-term developments. The Amazon stock currently shows sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more unfavorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal arising from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at levels 180.84 and 192.30. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. Moreover, a sell signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume is expected to align with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal, pivots, buy signal from 8 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal from 8 days ago, short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago, long-term moving average, sell signal from 45 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 42 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy opportunity 38 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 28 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon finds support from accumulated volume at $171, and this level may present a buying opportunity. An upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is assessed to be medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $4.21 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.45%. In the past week, the stock experienced a daily average volatility of 3.67%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often observed in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.37. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $175.26. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, This could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon encounters its first support level at $171. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April, 2025, Harrington Douglas J. executed an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Noi Indra K. conducted an insider purchase of 4,806 shares of a restricted stock unit award. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Harrington Douglas J. again executed an insider sale of 2,500 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 3rd of March, 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 239,843 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. On the 4th of March, 2025, Bezos Jeffrey P. conducted an insider sale of 56,339 shares of common stock with a par value of 1 cent per share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 54.349. Overall, insiders purchased 221,486 shares and sold 747,262 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss set. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Amazon shows several negative indicators and is currently in a broad declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks, leading us to hold a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the price volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of April, we expect Amazon to open higher by 98 cents, starting at $173.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held accountable for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.